Guys, let's talk about this new printer I picked up from a good buddy of mine. It was not given to me by this company. It was given to me by a friend. It is a FLSUN or FLSUN. Not sure how you pronounce it, but let's go with that. 0.4 millimeter on the nozzle diameter. It will support PLAs, ABSs, and PETGs. However, I have seen a guy run some flexibles on one, and it worked. Single nozzle, the precision is plus or minus 0.1 millimeters, so that's pretty good. It runs a 1.75 millimeter filament. The software it comes with is Extruder, but it supports other softwares like Repeater. You can pop in a SD card or you can run USB. It also has dual voltage, 115, or if you live in a different country, 230 volt. It'll run the nozzle temp up to 240 Celsius and the bed temp up to 100 Celsius. It's auto leveling, it's 300 watts. The firmware is open source Merlin. Now the file formats that we can use on this are STLs, OBJs, and AMFs. It is super fast and they call it the Super Racer. So its print size is 260 by 333 millimeters. So the downside to 3D printing. That's what I'm printing. This is all concaved. It is a antenna booster for the DJI drone. So this is all concaved in here. Now what it's actually printing, as you can see, the light blue is my supports. So when you look at the print, look how much waste. That's a lot of filament waste. Just to support these upper guys right here in the yellow. So when I go back to prepare, yeah, it's filling all this concave in with breakaway all through here just to hold these here up when it prints those. So that's the downside to 3D printing. You get a lot of waste. This particular model they call the Super Racer because its speeds are pretty fast. It is set at a default of 150 millimeters per second, but it will run at a maximum of 200 millimeters per second. So yeah, it's pretty quick. You can see in the video. So the good thing here is it's not wasting quality on the support here. You can see all the filament drags here. So that's a good thing, but it is wasting filament building the support for this. So it has a Volcano hothead on it. It is a clone of a popular brand I won't mention on this channel, but I'm going to use a different camera so you can see it. But yeah, all that cross pieces you can see going across there, that's all wasted material just for support. So we have a dual drive extruder, which is real good for flexible filaments and PLAs. For this top plate it'll build, if it even makes it to that. I seriously think this is going to run out of filament before it finishes. And as you can see, it does not care about the quality on support. I'm at 91% complete, 28 minutes, 50 seconds left. As you can see, building the supports has wasted a lot of filament. And that's not the 3D printer's fault. That's just this model and being able to build it. I don't know if I'm going to have enough left. Let's show you how much I've got left on the reel. Not much. So this is going to be a close one, guys. I didn't expect it to waste that much filament. Wow. 3D printing does waste a lot of filament when you need supports. This is my first 3D printer, guys, so this is new to me. Well, it just might make it. I am getting close. There's probably about 15 feet left on that thing. Holy cow. Starting to make that base plate at the very top. It's at 97% with 11 minutes left. And I bet you there is maybe, shoot, I might be overthrowing it. It might be about 5 feet left of filament. This is going to be extremely close. It's starting to fill in the top plate. Man, like I said, there isn't much left on this roll. Let's give you a little peek here. Holy crap. It's gonna be close, guys. It's getting so close. Holy crap. It's got like 5 minutes left. I don't think there's 5 minutes worth of filament on there. You can see it's almost there. Boy, this thing is fast. Dude, I don't know. We got what, 4 wraps left? I don't know if it's gonna make it. Holy crap. Jeez. As you can see, the actual finished model is a lot nicer than the breakaway scrap crap there. Oh man, look at that. It is so close. And I don't have any more. I need to buy some more. I'm gonna buy Hobby Lobby. They don't even offer this stuff. So I guess I gotta order it online. Yeah, that's not the machine's fault. That's just how you gotta do some of these models, man. We are so close. 99%. 3 minutes left. Wow. This is gonna be close, guys. It's gonna be so close. But it's getting it. It's getting it. Oh my God, I got one more wrap left. Oh, it's almost there. Will it do it? We got 1 minute, 18, 17. Oh no, it paused. 16. Oh crap. Are we gonna make it? Are we gonna make it? Oh, it's gonna be so close. I'm trying to demonstrate this awesome 3D printer, and I didn't have quite enough on the roll. Holy crap, it's eating it up. Oh my God. Is it gonna make it? Man. All those little test prints I did, I should have waited. Oh my God. It's almost there. 59 seconds left. Oh no. Watch it be like 2 inches short of finishing. The roll's gone. It's just barely hanging on. Oh no. Oh, it just released it. That's the last of it, guys. Oh no. Will it finish? Will it finish the build? We've got, oh yes, 17 seconds. But it's a slow second. Oh no. We got just like 3 inches left up here, guys. Woo! This is gonna be so close. It's almost there though. 12 seconds. 12 seconds, guys. I can't believe this. Oh no, we got about 2 inches left. Well, we got a little bit under here to go too. Oh my God. Is it gonna finish? Is this the last? Is the last pass? Is it, guys? 5 seconds left. Oh, eat up that little bit there. Little bit there. Oh my God. Oh, there's like a 1/4 inch sticking out. Holy crap. It finished. Holy crap. Oh my God. Oh, now it's peeling it off. Let's break it loose, let it cool down first, and then we'll break it loose. Take out all this crap here, all this waste. I can't believe it. Look at all that waste. All right, guys, let me get it cooled down so we can break it loose from the base and start snapping out the waste. Oh my God. 1/4 inch left on that roll. It's just barely sticking out. Oh my God. We cutting it close. All right, guys. We'll be right back. Oh my God, that was so close. All right, let's snap it off of here. All right, how do we get this waste out of here? I'm gonna snap it all loose. It's overburden here. This is what helps it stick to the base. It lays down a little bit here. And all this stuff we can take a light piece of sandpaper to get the excess off. And this is a model I pulled off online, so trying to get it all snapped loose. Let's get the spatula out here, see if we can't use it to pry a little bit. Break all this support off here without breaking our model. See if we can get it to snap loose. It's coming, guys. There's half of the supports. Boy, what a waste. Look at that waste of filament, guys. Yeah, you want to get into 3D printing, plan on wasting a lot of filament. Whew. Let's get that in there, kind of pry on it a little bit. It did real good on its software on building the base. That's a good thing. There it goes. Got it to snap loose. So I take a little sandpaper and it takes care of all these little stringers that got left. But I would say, all in all, that was a great print. Let you guys look at that real good. I read somewhere about taking acetone to it and it'll smooth it all out. So what this will do is it'll sit on my slide onto the antennas. We'll line this with tin foil or some copper foil. I'll probably try tin foil first, and this is supposed to boost the signal going to my Phantom 4 Pro remote, and I'll get you guys a little photo of this thing slid on the antennas here in a little bit, so you can see how much waste we had on supports. And these set right inside there. This is the finished model, so looks pretty dang good, guys. Not bad at all. Let's get this attached to the drone and see if it fits. Oh, here you go, guys. It fits really well. So it just slides right on. And we're going to wrap the inside of this with tin foil probably until I can find some copper foil. Appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed seeing this FLSUN doing what it's supposed to do. And just so you know, this is magnetic, so I can pull it down here and jack with it, and it just sticks back on there, just like that. Real simple. I kind of like that. And you can get it down here if you want to work on it. Do your little touch screens. I got it off right now, and I still got the plastic protector over the screen. I kind of leave that kind of stuff on for as long as I can. But yeah, just magnetic. I love that. So, hope you enjoyed it. You guys take care, and we'll see you next time.